Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. So today, without wasting time, I want us to learn how to fix zip on a pant, a trouser. Yeah. So this is my trouser. These are the two front pieces. This is the back side. So I'm going to turn it this way so that the back side will be where I'll be sewing. All right. So my two front pieces, and this is the bad side. Yeah. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I drop amazing content like this, you will be notified and you will quickly come and learn. So these are my zip flaps. So my two zip flaps, and this is my zip that we'll be fixing. I don't want to waste our time. I want us to learn very fast. So for us to fix this zip, we'll mark 7 inches from the waist line. So from the waistline here down, we mark 7 inches. So this is 7 inches, 7 inches. And you see, now when you're cutting these zip flaps, they should be just a little bit longer than the zip. You can see the zip flaps. You can see they're longer than the zip. See, so that they can cover the zip. You see, it's longer than the zip. So this method is very simple. It's straightforward. There are a lot of methods on how to fix zip. All right, there are so many ways. So this is just one of the ways, okay, and it's very simple. So follow me, but it produces a very good result. Follow me as we do this. So I'm going to sew from here, from where I marked. I'm sewing with an allowance of just barely a little bit less than half an inch. Okay. So I won't get to the end. I'll stop here. That's how I normally join my trouser. So I'm going to cut this off, trim this off, trim this off. And when you are sewing, please make sure you cut off all those threads. It makes your work neat. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is to sew our zip here. You see? So I've carried my zip. I'm going to face it down. Look at the zip. I'm facing it down. I'll open it, face it down. Push the head to come out, a bit. See? And down here, let this iron be at the point where you started sewing. At the point where you started sewing, let this iron on the zip, let it be at that point. All right. So we now start sewing from up here. All right. So you sew. Remember, I kept my zip facing down. I'm going to zip it up. Yeah. Now continue sewing. Now you can see I didn't sew to the end of this zip. I stopped here. Like I stopped where this iron is. I didn't sew to the end. There's a reason for that. Just towards the end, you will understand why I did that. Okay. So after I am done sewing the zip like this, I'm going to bend it inside like this. Now we introduce the zip flap. There are two zip flaps. I'll introduce the first one. This is the first one. I'll introduce it right here. I'm going to keep it here. You see? And I will sew on this line here. Can you see that? Like I said, this method is quite simple. Alright, let it come out a bit. So I'm going to sew on this line here. So just watch closely. See? Just watch this place closely. Alright, so I think you can see what we're having. I believe you like what you're seeing, how it's coming out. So like I said, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on for much more interesting videos like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to carry the second zip flap and sew it to the second side of the trouser. So watch very well. I'm going to just turn it like this. Alright, don't get lost. See, open it like this. Alright, and I'll carry this very one and I'll sew it here. Can you see? Just look, bringing this one to sew on this place here. Alright, let this and this be the same length. Okay, so simply keep it in. And I'll sew. Hope you can see very well what I'm doing. So when I'm done with this line, I'll open it. Can you see? Open it, and then I'll match on top of this, not on the trouser, on top of this zip flap here. So just watch. Hope you are seeing clearly. So we're going to match on top of this zip flap here. So when we are done with matching it there, the next thing I'm going to do is to now place the zip on top of this and match here. See, let the zip lie very flat. You see, and then you match here. All right, you match on this line. Okay, so far what we're having, you see. So I'm going to now place the zip here. Open this one and I'll match here. Okay, so just follow me carefully. It's as simple as that. Allow the zip to relax. Okay, let it not fold anywhere, let it relax. Okay, and then you sew it. It's as simple. And then also ensure that as you are sewing, the top here, one side is not longer than the other one. Okay, let one not be down and not be out. Let them be at the same level. You see, let them be at the same level, these two sides of the trouser. Okay, that is very important before you start sewing. So I'm going to keep it very flat, normal, then I will sew. I hope you're enjoying this video and it's making sense. And then when you are sewing, please, this line here should be on top of this line here. All right, let it not be outward or inward, it should be on top of it. Okay, almost at the same point. Please, that's very important. I'm checking to confirm that you see on it. Like I said, when you are sewing, make sure you cut all these threads so your work will be neat. All right. So the next one I'm going to do now is to turn our trouser. Open it up. See? Open it up now. And we see that our zip is almost there. You can see this. Can you see? What is left for us to do now is just to match our top line, top zip line. Alright, this top zip line here. Okay, but you can see the result we are having. See our zip looking very standard, clean line. Another thing is this: make sure this allowance here is opened. Okay, it's open. This allowance in here, make sure that the allowance is distributed both sides. Let's not lie one side. Okay, let it be open. Let it be flat like this. Okay, very important. That makes your zip to relax at this point here. Relax, you see, to relax. So let's not waste time, let's finish it up. So we're going to open this down part. See this zip flap, we're going to open this one this way, because the top stitch we're matching here is not supposed to catch this very part of the zip. So we're going to match it now. And also, when matching this line, please, the line should be straight down. Okay, don't let it be going zigzag or slanty. Let it be straight down. When you get to where you're supposed to curve, you now curve it. All right. So I thought there was something I was going to show you concerning this iron with zip here. So I'm going to tell you that when I get to that point. So let us adjust our zip properly. Yes, make sure this line here is inside, okay, not outside. Very important, please, very important. So let's sew it now. Like I said, it has to come down straight. All right, it has to come down straight. So I'll show you something on the iron head here, that you should let the iron head be where you started sewing, okay? Because we're going to curve below this iron head. We're going to curve below, not above it. I'm going to curve below this iron head, right? So we're now going to start curving. This is our iron head here. I'm feeling it with my finger. All right. So another thing we do is this. We are going to open this here. All right. See this? See this? I'm going to open this zip flap up, all right, with this one side of the zip. I'm going to open it up, all right. You can see. I'm going to open it up. You see? Open it up. We're not going to match that, all right. So we close it back. We're not going to match it. We're matching only the one for this side. Right, so you see, fix our zip. So this is what I was showing you. We open this one here, and then we matched only this one. All right, so we'll now close it back, all right, and then we'll match it together to hold our zip together in place. See this? It's quite simple and straightforward. All right. So you see, we are now done with our zip. We are now done fixing our zip. All right. So this is very, very simple. Open your zip. You see, this is our zip. We're done fixing our zip. You can close the zip back. All right. Once we press it, you're going to have a very, very interesting side to view. So after pressing our zip, you can see what we have here. Very, very clean and straightforward. So you see, fixing zip is as simple as this. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on, because much more interesting videos I will be bringing your way from Nat Fashion Hub. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.